what's up? It's Alicia, and for today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make LUCA Whitaker's intros on your iPhone. Now, they're super easy to use, and I really like them, so if you guys want to learn, then just keep watching. The first thing we're going to want to do is go into the app CuteCut Pro, and what we're going to be doing is creating the background, essentially. So she usually has the drone shot, and then she has this border around it. Now, if you don't have CuteCut Pro, I'm not sure you're able to do this, but if you do have CuteCut Pro, what you're going to want to do is load the video, which I'm going to link down below for you guys to download. And it's just this frame here, and you're going to also want to add a video of some sort of drone footage. She has one of the ocean, and she has one of the clouds, and I believe of trees, so I'll link those down below too if I can find some. And what you're going to want to do is double tap on the drone footage and just resize it so that it fits in this frame here. So it's going to take a minute to probably get it the right size. Okay, so once you have it the way you want it, you're just going to want to crop it to make sure it's the same length, like so, and I'm going to go ahead and save this to my camera roll in high quality. So again, if you guys don't have CuteCut Pro, I'm not sure, or CuteCut, you could do it with CuteCut, I'm not sure if you can do this, but if you do, you're able to make this kind of background that she has, but you still get the same effect with the text and stuff otherwise. But anyway, now what we're going to want to do is go into the app Vont, and if you guys don't have the font Mustarde, you're going to want to go into Safari, and you're going to want to look up this font on the website defont.com. It's called Mustardo, and it looks like this, and you just type it up here, press the search bar, it will come up, you press download, and then this screen pops up, and you're going to want to press more, and then find your app Vont. So now I'm going to go into the app Vont, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to load that video I just made. It's just going to load it in here, and then I'm going to click on it, add text, and I'm going to write my channel name, but in this case I'm just going to write LUCA Whitaker. I really hope I spelled that right, I'm not sure. And I'm going to go to, I'm going to go to fonts, and I'm going to make sure it's in Mustardo, press done, and arrange it in the center of my screen, like so. If you press move, and then you press the two buttons down here with the A's, you'll see that it aligns in the center. And then what I'm going to do is go to color, and I'm going to change this to like a light pink color, change that around. Go to stroke and add like a thick pink stroke. You guys can obviously do whatever color you want, but this is like what LUCA does. And then just keep arranging it and changing the color as it looks the best. So and you guys can add a shadow too. I think it might help make it a little easier to see against the background. But if you want to do that, go to Style, Shadow, change the alpha up, but make it a little blurry so it's hard to see. So you guys can see, have these settings, and it will help. And yeah, I'm going to keep playing around with this for a second. Okay, so I just went ahead and made the colors how I wanted it, and so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the text, and you'll see at the bottom that this button that says none comes up. What you're going to want to do is click the transition fade for in, and then at the bottom you're going to want to click on out and change the same to fade, so that when you play the video it's going to look like this. It's going to fade in, and then eventually it will fade out. And so you can just go ahead and save that to your camera roll, like so. So that's how you create LUCA Whitaker's intro on your iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you can understand it. Any questions, be sure to leave them below, as well as any suggestions for future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, for subscribing, and for supporting me, and I'll see you guys.